Hello. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your location. Uh, Today, I just want to discuss on the the task for the week. So we are currently in week one, and the training has kicked off. So I just want to show you guys example for the task for the week. So at this stage, I believe that you've all gotten access to this. This particular course, the HTML CSS. So if you haven't, uh, join the HTML group, the WhatsApp group, then reach out to the admin. You'll be granted access. So the this is week one. Okay. So in this video, I just want to show us a sample of our task for the week. So the week task is the project for the week is building a personal info card web page. So we uh have different type. So you can do different things with this. You can see your name, your photo, and your short bio. Okay, so this is what we expected. So this is example. Okay, so this is example. You can see your photo, a name, short info. So now I just this is the code. So now this is example of what you you are expected to do, but not must that you have to do it this way. No, there are different ways. I just this is just to show you what we are going to do, like example of what you're going to do. So there are different way to achieve this. Just you can do it in a different way. You can do it in your own way. In fact, we will appreciate those that worked on to do something different, because no matter what you do, you're still going to we will still know those that just did copy and paste and those that actually put in the work. Okay, so this is the code that is doing this. In this lesson, you're going to learn about HTML basic, CSS basic. Okay, so all these things, uh, you get to know some of these. Okay, so of you might not have knowledge of CSS to this extent for you to be able to create this. So from what you've learned in this lesson, from lesson 1 to lesson 5, you should be able to do something not exactly this way, probably, but do something like this in your own little way. We appreciate those that put in the effort. So this is more like explaining the code. If you watch the video from lesson 1 to lesson 5, some of these things you'll be seeing here won't be new. Okay, you already know that this is the introductory part of the page. Then this is a link. Now this link is what contains, we call it font awesome. Okay, so this is font awesome, and that's where you can get all these icons. Okay, so these icons is coming from this. Okay, so and it's mustn't a must that you're going to use it. I just want to explain so that some of you won't be confused. Okay, so it's included at the top, and that is where this is being included. Then this is the CSS. So from here to here contains the CSS. So there's a lot of things there. So when you watch the video, you understand more about all this. Okay. Then you can see these fonts. This is how it's being included. It's included like a CSS class. So once you type this FA dribble. So this is for this one. You can see Twitter. You can see it. You can see LinkedIn. This is LinkedIn, and this is Facebook. Okay, so you can see the button contact. So this is what you are seeing here. Okay, so we want you guys to do this, but don't copy and paste. Come up with your own idea, your own way. And remember, the best student goes with a prize. Okay, there's a reward for the best student. So before the end of the week, hopefully you guys would have started submitting your project and we start reviewing it. I wish you guys the best in your journey. And remember, the group is for us to answer your questions. So once you start learning and you have any confusion, don't worry. If you have any confusion, any questions anything you don't understand, always ask the question in the group. And as a matter of fact, the students that has the highest engagement, those are asked questions, because your questions tell us that you're learning. It's through your questions we know that you're putting effort to learn. But if you guys are, it's those that are asking question the most, shows that they're learning. Okay, yeah. So that doesn't mean you start asking, unreasonable question. You understand where I'm going? So, because once you start learning, definitely you want to understand everything at the onset. So your question will now help you to get a lot of clarification. So I wish you guys the best. Take good care. Bye bye.